Hello,
Uh-oh, that security lady's gonna come back. Good.
Oh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Whoa.
So, Michael, you think you'll play hockey here one day?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on that ice right there?
Yeah.
You're gonna be an NHL star?
Yeah. Yeah. Graham, are you gonna be HLO star?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna take a video of you.
Well, I'm having trouble keeping you on the screen because you're moving. There we go. I don't even know if we're on here. Okay, let's see what's going on. You want me to turn it off now? I'll turn it off.